It wasn't like that in the advertising, okay? Hi guys! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie. For those of you guys who are new, I make girly glam and slightly ratchet content here online, and I am so hyped for today's video because it is going to be my first impression slash review of Ariana Grande's newest fragrance, God is a Woman. That song is one of my favorite songs by her. It's one of my favorite looks. I did a tutorial back when the music video came out. I love the essence of God is a Woman. I have my little goddess princess corset on today, and I'm just gonna get right into this because I'm really excited to see how this smells. I have not smelled it yet, you guys. I've been waiting to film this video in order to smell it, so we're just gonna get past this intro and get right into the video. But before we do, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, that way you never miss out on anything I post here on YouTube, and be sure to turn on the post notification bell while you're there. And feel free to follow me on my social media handles at Glamonista08 pretty much everywhere, that way you can stay tuned and see behind the scene looks at all the girly glam and slightly ratchet parts of my life. But other than that, we're just gonna get right into this fragrance. I'm so hyped, I just want to smell it. Okay guys, so again, this is the God is a Woman by Ariana Grande latest fragrance from Ulta. I ordered this online as soon as it was available to get online because I'm not playing any games. So the box is beautiful. I got the 3.4 EDP, and shout out to Ulta because I was actually able to use my points. I paid like half the price for this. But the box is just this beautiful floral print pattern that you've seen on her Instagram. And this is cool because it says it's 91% naturally derived, clean ingredients, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and the base is reusable. And it's made from 60% plant-based sustainable materials. We love sustainability here, okay? You can be glam and bougie and extra and girly and still care about the environment. Ooh! She left us a little note. When you open the box, the top two flaps have words on them, but it's in 2 different languages. This says, we are committed to making our packaging friendlier for the planet by using sustainable materials and responsibly sourced ingredients. You will continue to see exciting changes over time across all of our fragrances. Thank you for taking this journey with us. I guess this is from Ulta. Opening her up. I'm so excited. This is, ooh. So my base is a little damaged. We don't like that. This is the fragrance. I'm already curious to see if like something went wrong with my base because I feel like this is oddly gray. I thought it was supposed to be white. It's like this weird gray color, and the bottle is actually not attached, so it's just this clear lavenderish tinted square. The base is pretty sturdy, I'm not gonna lie. I both love and hate this. It's not as cute as the one from REM. I love that fragrance, by the way, so I'm really excited about this one. But yeah, it's not as aesthetically pleasing. However, this is clever because you know what she's referencing. Just leave it there. So I thought that was a cute idea, and I think with the bottle in it, it definitely looks more like her new age 2021 aesthetic. Just not my favorite. And the bottle by itself I kind of don't like either, because it reminds me of like the old school early 2000s drugstore fragrances, so I think it's better to keep them together, okay? And then the bottle also just says Ariana Grande on the side. It also says it on the side of the packaging, the base. We're not here about just the packaging. We are here to smell this fragrance. Just for information on this before I sniff it, this comes in a 1.7 ounce size, so half the size, or the 3.4. This size retails for $65 and the half size retails for $55, so honestly you might as well pay the extra $10 to get the full size. It has 5-star reviews on Ulta Beauty, and it says empowered, breathtaking, natural, a breath of fresh air for the senses. Introducing God is a Woman EDP, the fragrance by Ariana Grande. Fragrance family, fruity musk. I love musky fragrances, however, I do not like fruity, so I'm interested to see how this will play out. It says the key notes are ambrette, juicy pear. Middle notes are orris, Turkish rose petals, that sounds fancy. And base notes is Madagascar vanilla and creamy cedarwood. 2 of my favorites. So it's about that time, y'all. I have no fragrance on today. Guys, I'm shocked. There's a lot of different scents that are mixed together to make this one, and I love it. I thought that I would like this, but again, REM is that girl. REM is still a top fragrance. This has the same musky base that REM has, but rather than it just being like that strong musk, you can definitely smell the fruitiness there. It like starts off as like this sophisticated scent, but then boom, there's a little bit of girly in there. I actually really like this. And the scent is reminding me of something else that I used to wear. I think I got it. I think I got it. So this is like if you were to take the musk from REM and mix it with those really sweet girly fragrances, the body sprays from Victoria's Secret that you can't get anymore, but you got in like 2004 to 2010. I feel like I smell like a fancier Victoria's Secret. This smells so good actually. And I also like this because even though it's fruity, I definitely feel like it's more of a springy scent than REM, but it still has that musk layer at the bottom that's strong enough that you could wear it in the fall, and it just adds this girly glamour. It just smells really good, you guys. This is about to be my new go-to for the rest of 2021. I love her. Ariana, you did it again, okay? So overall, I would give the packaging like a 6.5 out of 10, maybe a 6 out of 10 just because mine came wonky tonky. Do you see this? I have like weird marks all over mine. I don't know if maybe it's because of what it's made out of, but it wasn't like that in the advertising, okay? So 6 to 6.5 for packaging, but the scent, 1,000 out of 10, okay? This smells so good. I feel like the fragrance. I feel like this fragrance is very girly glam with a little bit of boss in there, but not too much. You don't want to scare them off, okay? So I love this so much, and I definitely recommend you guys checking it out. Alrighty guys, so that is my first impression slash review of Ariana Grande's new fragrance, God Is a Woman. I definitely feel like this embodies that. I think this really pays good homage to her song, her video, and also her taking the past messages, the past successes, and turning them into her new age in 2021. I just love that. You know, we're all getting older, we're all changing, we're all leveling up, and I feel like this fragrance is part of that. I'm so happy with this purchase, you guys. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Again, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I make a lot of girly glam, slightly ratchet content, whether it be vlogs or beauty-based videos like this. I also do hauls sometimes. Sometimes I do home decor. I do a lot of, you know, beauty, fashion, lifestyle. So stick around. And again, feel free to follow me on social media. You guys are really active, especially on my Instagram and TikTok, which we're growing. So I love that. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.